How to make special, easy, and delicious PutoCake. So we have two flavors, with cheese and with chocolates. So these are our ingredients. Cake flour, sugar, baking powder, grated cheese, six egg whites, vanilla, and cold water. So before anything else, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you. So we start now. First, we need to sift the flour, the baking powder, and 1 cup sugar in a mixing bowl. Make a well at the center and add cold water. Beat until smooth. Add the vanilla and set aside. Next, for the merengue, beat the egg whites in a bowl until frosty. Gradually add the 1/2 cup sugar, beating well after each adding until stiff form. Next, slowly pour the cake flour mixture over the merengue. Fold it until well blended. Next, pour into a puto molds and put the cheese and chocolate chips flavor on top. Steam for 25 to 30 minutes. And this is our cheese flavor PutoCake. And this is our chocolate flavored PutoCake. Thank you for watching. This is Kiel and my wife Len and my daughter Sophia, who assisted us in putting the flavors. Thank you for watching. Till our next video.